Hi, welcome back, 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 welcome back. What's up? What's good? So today let's do a get ready with me. I already did my eyebrows, I already did my eyeshadow. I used a Natasha Denona palette, the Summer's palette. I'm gonna use Fenty to prime, to set my oily face around my T-zone. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Hazelnut. And I'm gonna just apply this to my T-zone area. And it's oily there. That's where I'm gonna apply that. Wherever I get the oil at so that it can seep in. I'm gonna put some on my face. So some in my smile lines so they don't crack and crease on me. And let's just talk. How are you guys doing today? I hope everything is good. Do a get ready with me and just do a little chit chatting. I'm gonna use Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. I'm in the color Chai 26. It looks like this. What's up with Bare Minerals? I don't see anyone doing videos with Bare Minerals. People sleeping on this foundation, but it's a great foundation and it lasts. So I don't understand that, but people sleeping on Bare Minerals. But it's a great foundation. Very good coverage. And it lasts throughout the day. It lasts through humidity. It lasts through sweat. It lasts through the heat. It's been hot, and I've been putting Bare Minerals on for the last few days, and it's been working fine for me. So again, let's not sleep with the Bare Minerals. Don't mind my speech, because shoot, I'm trying to get these words together myself. I just want to talk a little bit about the things that's going on today. Did anybody watch the VMA Awards? I thought it was so good, and I love me some Taylor Swift. I don't know if y'all watch Taylor Swift, but I love her. And I love Taylor Swift because she's so down to earth. I need my mirror. Every time you looked at her in the VMAs, I mean, she was jamming in the audience. And I'm like, she's authentic. She's authentic about black race. She's authentic about LGBT. She's authentic, and it's not made up, it's not fake, and you could feel that. And I love her. I mean, I watched her and I'm like, every time they showed her, every little clip they showed of her, she just looked like she was enjoying herself. I want y'all to look at this this Bare Minerals. And I really want you to look at it. Look at my skin. And then you see the glow. This Bare Minerals is life. Now I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Match Stitch in the color, I'm in the shade Honey. And again, people sleeping on these products. Like, what happened? I mean, I'm gonna use it, warm it up on my skin a little bit. But look at the color of it. Look at the color of it. Look. So I'm gonna just pop a little bit under my lid, and blend that out. And to blend that out, I'm gonna use a little bit of, I'm gonna use I think this is Sasha beauty blender. I love this little beauty blender, and I'm gonna also use the big one. So let's put that down and let's blend this out. we looked at Taylor Swift, she looked like she was truly enjoying herself, truly enjoying herself. And see, that's what I love about anyone. When you're going out and you're enjoying yourself, you're having a good time, you know, a great time, you're enjoying the music. And let's give it up to all the performers at the VMAs 2000 Awards show. I'm just putting a little powder on my face. This is Fenty Beauty, again in the color hazelnut setting powder. I want to give it up to all the performers that was there and having a great time. Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color banana. Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color banana. Use the e.l.f. brush. And just dab this under my eye a little bit, not too much. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with it. But like I was saying, I like Ice Tea, Redman. I like Redman's performance. I like Ice Tea, Fetty Wap. Fetty Wap is gorgeous, and his music, his voice, everything. Get your butt back out there. Stop making all those babies and get your butt back out there. Get your music, get your money, and get your music. Stop making babies. Fetty Wap was good. Queen Latifah, what? Give it up to her coming in on that motorcycle. Where she thought she was at? Please, come on. Queen Latifah, you are a mess. I love her. I love her. Queen Latifah, let's give it up to Naughty by Nature. Hip Hop Parade. Ho. Hooray. Ho. That was a song. That was a song. Naughty by Nature. Wyclef. And he's, you know, standing up on his hands, so give it up to him. He was exceptional. They had a lot of performers that did great, a lot, and I thought it was a great show for the first time. And let's give it up to my girl Megan Thee Stallion. What? That's my girl. I love. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso. I'm going to be doing that with the e.l.f. brush. I forgot the name of this brush, but it's e.l.f. I love it. You know, it has this little side. So what I do is I just pull this in here, and I'm just going to put it here. See? So I'm just going to chisel it a little bit. Yeah, so while I'm getting in this bronzer, it's Fenty Beauty. I'm going to clean this up a little bit over here, bronze, and I'm going to do the rest of this off camera, and then I'll come back on camera and let you see the end result. So I'm back with the end result. I think I look pretty cute. I think I did a great job. I finished up my face. I put a little bit of the e.l.f. The e.l.f. palette for the blush. I used a little bit of the MAC liner around my lip in the color chestnut, and I used Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick and liner, this in the color Exposed. That's how it looks. And I popped on in the middle some MAC Dazzle Glass. This kind of how the color look, okay? Okay, so this is Exposed, and this is the glass, okay? Exposed. So let's wrap up. I think I did a great job. I popped on, I just smoked out just a little bit. And I don't know if you ever tried that, the Urban Decay, what's this called? Urban Decay eye pencil in Perversion. It's life, it's dark. I mean, when I tell you it's dark and black, it's dark and black. I thought Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Cold was in black was darker than this one. But the Perversion one from Urban Decay, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it with all the lighting. Let me come up a little bit closer. Urban Decay. So I would strongly advise you guys to go get that and to try it out. But again, if you didn't watch the VMAs awards, please do watch it. I mean, they play it all the time. They repeat it all the time. Do watch it. It was a great show. It was nice. It was fun. LIZZO, I think her name is. She's amazing. She gives everyone the the self-confidence to do everything. Your self-esteem, she gives it to everyone. So anyone that has anything with any flaws, look at her and let her inspire you and let her be inspiration to you. So again, if you didn't watch the VMAs awards, please do tune in. It was a phenomenal show. It was great. It was exciting from the beginning to the end. The red carpet was great. I think that you will enjoy it. Do go over there and do take the time to watch it out. And again, I think you guys should watch Taylor Swift with her movements and enjoying. It's always a pleasure to watch Taylor Swift. I'm certainly a fan of hers. It's always a pleasure to watch her. Again, stay tuned. We're going to have great videos and more uploading and uplifting videos. I will continue to get better as I go. Please stay with me. Please correct me. Use constructive criticism. And stay with me as I continue to grow. So, if you are fans of Taylor Swift, tell her I'm a fan of hers, and she got all generations and all ages and all ethnicities and all everything. She's just a phenomenal person. So enough with the VMAs. Again, let's watch the VMAs so you'll know what I'm talking about, what I'm speaking about. I'm gonna be doing a lot of get ready with me's. We're gonna be doing a lot of makeup videos. I get into my hair tutorial videos, skincare. We're gonna have fun on this channel. We'll talk about a lot of current events and things that are happening today. Let's just keep saying inspiration of each other and continue to encourage each other and continue to support each other. That's the word I'm using. Let's continue to support each other as we continue to grow and as we continue to learn. Take care and thank you so much.